it was a lot of headwind in the sprint, and also the legs were tired from the climbing before. So yeah, I was really lucky in the end to have the speed, and plus Gudon, which he's super fast, we all know, also Finn, and was a great day. We didn't expect to win, but in the end we won, and we can be happy. Yeah, it's always special to win in yellow jersey, and especially on a day like today when it's really unpredictable and super crazy final. So yeah, I'm really happy to win a stage like this with it's a lot of adrenaline and a lot of things can go wrong and right, and it's really interesting and exciting. So it's always these kind of stages are really cool to win. Yeah, I must say it is more quiet. I will not lie. In the classics, it's always a big chaos and a big bunch stressing out, and it's only one day where everything needs to be perfect. And here is like five stages, and very hard stages, good roads, and everybody knows that the climbs are the most important, and that you need to have good legs. So it's less stress for the big mountains here. And yeah, it's a stage race also. That makes it a big difference that it's less stress than in the classics, and I enjoy it. It's really nice to ride here without. Of course, always will be some stress coming to the climbs, but I enjoy it a lot.
A question: did you get time to see your parents on the road?
No, not today. They were hiding somewhere. I didn't see them, but I saw them in the morning. They came to the hotel, and we had actually they joined breakfast with the team, and it was nice to see them in the morning. But I could not catch them on the parcours.
Today you won yesterday. So what happened on first day?
Today is stage 2 now.
Yeah.
And I have 2 students. It's okay now.